Cache Giraffe's own privacy policy says disabling push notifications can affect how you use the app. So when notifications suddenly stop, the first thing to check is your phone's notification permission. Cache Giraffe Kwani. By the end, you'll know which notification settings to check on Android and iPhone, what to do after an app update, and when the problem is likely on Cache Giraffe's side. Start with the notification permission for Cache Giraffe. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Apps, select Cache Giraffe, then tap Notifications and make sure Allow Notifications is enabled. Apple also lets you control how those alerts appear, including sounds and notification placement. Apple's support What When. On Samsung Galaxy phones, open Settings, go to Notifications, choose App Notifications, select Cache Giraffe, and check that notifications are allowed. Samsung also recommends checking notification categories, pop-up settings, do not disturb, and whether the app has been placed into deep sleep. Samsung If notifications are enabled but nothing appears, update Cache Giraffe. Next. The iPhone App Store currently lists version 1.5.4, released July 2nd, with bug fixes, along with several earlier releases that also included bug fixes. That means checking for an available update is worthwhile before changing anything more complicated. App Store in 4e. After updating, completely close Cache Giraffe and reopen it. On Android, Google also recommends restarting the phone and checking for system updates when an installed app is not working correctly. Google. 5. There's another setting worth checking on Android. Background activity. If your phone restricts Cache Giraffe from running in the background, notifications can be delayed or not appear while the app is closed. Battery saving and background data controls vary by phone, so look specifically for Cache Giraffe under your battery and app settings. If the problem started immediately after an update, don't assume your account is broken. Cache Giraffe's terms say that the provider may fix significant app errors through updates, and they also state that some problems can result from operating system updates. Cache Giraffe. So the practical order is simple. Check Cache Giraffe's notification permission, check battery and background restrictions, update the app, then restart your phone. If notifications still fail after those steps, contact Cache Giraffe support rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app, especially if you're relying on notifications for rewards or account activity. The key points are that notification permission comes first, background restrictions can interfere on Android, and recent Cache Giraffe releases have included bug fixes. Try those settings before reinstalling anything. If this fixed the notification problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe fixes.